king vulture. Where to find the king vulture? The king vulture can be found in lowland forests, savannas, and grasslands throughout southern Mexico, Central America, and down through South America to Argentina and Brazil. They do not typically occupy large mountainous regions such as the Andes. The home territorial range of an individual bird is not known, but it is probably quite large. King vulture nests. The king vultures do not build artificial nests at all. Instead, they lay their eggs in the hollow cavities of logs, stumps, and trees with very little material added. King vulture scientific name. The scientific name of the king vulture is Sarcoramphus papa. The genus combines together two ancient Greek words, sarx means flesh and ramphos means crooked beak. This refers to the fleshy skin along the beak. The species name papa is Latin for bishop. This refers to the bird's interesting black and white plumage. The king vulture is the only surviving member of its genus, but a few more species are known from the fossil record. They are a member of the New World vulture family. King vulture size, appearance, and behavior. The king vulture is among the largest birds of the Americas, measuring some 2.5 feet tall and a wingspan of around 6 to 7 feet long. Their broad chest and long wings have white plumage and black tips, giving them the appearance of a bishop's cloak. Their bare head is marked by an interesting combination of red, orange, black, and yellow with a fleshy appendage arranged around the large, hooked beak. They also have silver or white eyes and gray feet. Males and females are almost impossible to distinguish from each other by appearance alone. King vultures are mostly solitary hunters that stick to small family units and do not form large groups. Although they lack a voice box, they do make low croaking sounds and warning calls, especially when a predator approaches their territory. They spend much of the day sitting atop the canopy or soaring above the ground in search of food. They tend to remain within the same place for almost the entire year and do not migrate at all. King vulture reproduction, young, and molting. These vultures are thought to be monogamous birds that spend most of their lives with a single partner. Their mating ritual is quite elaborate and involves many loud wheezing and snorting sounds. They will mate with their long-term partner in the dry season and then produce a single egg at a time. After about 50 to 60 days, the baby will hatch with some downy feathers. If the baby is soon lost, then the parents may replace it with another one within a few weeks. Since the baby is born immature, both of the parents take turns with the incubation duties, feeding, and defense of the young. These vultures have a specialized organ that allows them to carry food in the gut. When they return to the nesting area, they will regurgitate the food from the beak into the baby's mouth. When the chick grows older, the parents will start to place the food on the ground for it to feed on. There are some basic facts we still don't understand about their development, but it's thought that they acquire their adult plumage after several months and become fully mature at around 4 years. They remain with their parents for most of that time while learning to hunt and fly. The lifespan in captivity is thought to be around 40 years old. King vulture population. It is not known exactly how many of these birds exist in the wild. Some population estimates have placed the number as high as 50,000 and some under 10,000.